Hello everyone, this is Jaman. Today I'm going to share that how to create a simple invoice in Excel. I will cover all the steps that should be considered. First of all, I'm taking a blank workbook. Here I will create invoice that should be very simple and workable. Here we will mention sender, company name. Then sender, company name, then sender, street name. Sender, city. State and zip number. Then we have to put phone number. Sender phone number. We will design later when done. If have any fax, then we need to consider fax number, then email. So this is the basic part. This is the basic part, sender portion. On the right side at the top we will write what's the document is it. This invoice, so I'm just writing invoice. It is better if we write all capital, then it should be more highlighted. Date of invoice, invoice number, invoice number, then payment due date. Here we will mention bill to, company name, then customer attention name. In next row, we will consider customer company name. Just for example, Mr. X, and this is the company of Mr. X. Customer street, customer city, state and zip, then phone, then email. This portion should be same. You can colorize this portion. Okay. Then here we will write the description portion. Serial product or service description. Service description, price, quantity, subtotal. So here we can make this cell as fillable, border, thick border. Total. Changing the format, currency. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now here we'll mention the terms of this invoice. Under this, payment related terms will be mentioned. Then comments. If you have any comments, then you will mention here. We receive this because if you provide hard copy, then it should be received by somebody else on behalf of your customer. Then you may need this. customer first name, customer first name, customer last name, then customer company name. So we have completed the invoice. Now we should focus on beautification. Still we do not set up this page. This is a very important portion. When we print or share, at first we need to click on file, then we need to choose print. From here we can set up page. Of course, portrait paper size should be A4, left margin 0.5 is best, 0.5. Vertically not needed, but horizontally might be okay. So this is the preview as you are looking here. This font should be at least 20. This size should be at least 20. This portion should be bold. As you are seeing that I am fixing overall page. This portion I would like to highlight on different color. Also this row I'd like to highlight the same way. Almost done. This is just description. And what will you consider here? Product name or service name. Then the price. I'm changing the format. Currency. Quantity. Quantity format should be number. You should multiply to 4. This is just testing value. There may have tax issue. That's why subtotal. We need to figure out subtotal. You can apply auto sum. So our invoice has prepared already. As you can see, our invoice is ready. I am showing you the final preview, print preview. This is our invoice that we prepared. So this is a simple way that you can follow to prepare invoice from your Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to be updated with us. Thank you.